Good morning, students. Today we will do one practical. Okay, and the name of the practical is to study the water holding capacity and pH of the soil. These you should just study this practical in two parts also. Sometime when this practical means when this experiment comes in as a major, हम लोगों को बेटा प्रैक्टिकल्स के दौरान में दो प्रैक्टिकल्स करने होते हैं, एक मेजर और एक माइनर. मेजर के अंदर अगर आता है तो वी हैव टू डू बोथ वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी एज वेल एज द सॉइल पीएच ऑफ द सॉइल. और अगर हमें माइनर करना है तो माइनर प्रैक्टिकल में या आइदर इट विल कम एज अ टू कैलकुलेट द वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, ये एक माइनर हो गया, एंड अनदर माइनर एक्सपेरिमेंट इज द पीएच ऑफ द सॉइल. So today we are performing it as a major, but you can also do individually as a minor also. Now, what are the material required? The material required, that is, we will take soil samples from two different places. For example, for this experiment, we have taken the soil sample from the farmland, which consists of loamy soil, as well as the roadside soil, which is mostly sandy in nature. Okay, so we have taken two soil sample, one from the farmland and second from the roadside. We require weighing balance or the weighing machine, funnel, filter paper. For finding out the pH, we require pH paper or the universal pH indicator, water, measuring cylinder. So these are the material what we require. After that, we have to go for the observation. Now in the observation we have taken the two samples. We can take as many as sample, farmland soil as well as the roadside soil. First we have to take the amount of the soil. So for performing the experiment, today I am taking 50 grams of soil, both the cases, 50 grams of soil. Okay, then the amount of water is also I am taking 50 ml in both the cases. Now the amount of filter, that will come to know after performing the experiment. Once we do the experiment, then only the filtrate amount आएगा, that is the amount of the water filtrate, and then the amount of water retained by the soil. तो कितना amount retain हो रहा है बेटा? तो that is amount taken. Suppose amount taken हम कहते हैं x, amount of filtrate is y. So the amount of water retained by soil, that is x minus y, and that is 50 minus that we will find out ki how much it will be there. And then ultimately the water holding capacity, the percentage. So how you can obtain? That is 50 minus the amount of water which is filtered. So the amount of the water retained upon the amount of soil, because here we have to study about the soil, into 100 to find it out as a percentage. So first one more thing I want to tell you. Why and the soil retain water? Okay, and here also we are taking the two example. It means two different soil are having the different retaining capacity. So on which things, on which factor the retaining capacity is depend? So the very first factor is the size of the particles. What type of the particle size is there? Bigger the particle, less the water holding capacity. Smaller the particle, more the water holding capacity. Okay, and second more thing, how much amount of the organic matter is present in the soil, because it also make the soil less porous if the organic matter is present. So for example, we are taking the farmland soil which contain more amount of organic matter as comparison to roadside soil. So let's go for doing the experiment. So now we are taking the sample of the soil from the farmland soil, that is sample A, and now taking it and measure it on measuring cylinder. Yes. Now here
just you can see it is still 28 gram. So we will make it 50 grams. Okay. इसको बेटा हमें 50 ग्राम्स करना है. Measurement should be exact. Okay. Okay. So now it is almost 50 grams. Now what we have to do? As I told you, this is the filter paper. First we have to make it a single fold. Then the second fold. Now we obtain like this. And now transfer this soil into this. Now again the same procedure I am applying for the another soil sample. Now this sample also I am taking the sample from the bee. And now I am adding require little bit more. Now I am adding little bit more. Now look, it is the roadside, so some of the particles means stones, small pebbles are also there. Now make it a 50 grams only. Okay. Okay. Now it is 50 gram. Again I am taking this filter paper, fold it twice, once, then twice, and then again put it in the another. Hitam sir, please. And now I am adding this soil in this also. Okay. Now I am taking, look, this is the measuring cylinder and it contains 50 ml of water. So I am taking 50 ml of water and pouring it in this soil. Okay. Slowly, slowly I have to pour so that the water will go from this only. From the soil. We don't have to put here and there. We have to wait. Once it gets filtered, then only we will add more water. It will take a time because it is the farmland soil. So it retains water. Now you can see a dropwise water is coming, means the extra water which is not retained is filtered. Now again I am taking another 50 ml of water and pouring in the sample B, that is from the roadside soil. Simultaneously you can see dropwise water is coming down and this measuring cylinder is getting filled by the water. So now again I am pouring it over here. As you know that this is, you can see that this is the roadside soil. As I am putting the water, it is going down. Means its holding capacity is lesser as comparison to this soil. That is, it is mostly is a loamy soil, and this is mostly of the sandy soil because it is the roadside soil. You can see the speed of the water coming down. Just see at what speed the water is coming. Pause. Now after about 2 hours, means minimum we require 2 hours to get filtered. So after 2 hours I just kept it like this only, and after 2 hours I just remove it and keep it in the beaker. In the beaker only I am just putting it because the water is retained by the soil. नहीं फना लिया कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. Now can see the soil from the farmland, it contain how much of amount of the water. So that is the retained water is 25 ml. Okay, the retained water is 25 ml. 25 ml retain हुआ है तो इस filter हुआ है तो कितना amount retain हो गया, हमने डाला था बेटा 50 ml. 25 filter हो गया तो the retained amount is 25 ml. 50 minus 25 is equals to 25. And this is the roadside soil. Here the amount of water comes as a filtrate is 33. You can see it is above 30. So 31, 32 and 33, almost 33. Okay, so that is more water get filtered and less water get retained. Okay, so by this we can find out the percentage of the soil. How much amount of water we have taken? 50 ml. Amount of water filtered. So that was from the farmland soil. The filtered amount हुआ था that was 25 ml filtered हुआ था. और जो roadside soil था वहाँ पे जो amount of water filtered हुआ था that was around 33 ml. Okay. Now how much water is retained? So that is x minus y. That is 50 minus y. This is y. So 50 minus 25 is equals to 25 ml is retained, and here 50 minus 33, that is 10 minus 3 is equals to 7, 4, 1. That is 70 ml water is retained by the soil. कौन सी वाली soil बेटा? Roadside soil. It means roadside soil water retaining capacity is less, while the farmland soil, which is loamy soil, has more water holding capacity. Now we can calculate by putting this x minus y, this value. So that is 25 upon 50 amount of the soil. Amount of soil we have taken into 100. 25 1 are 25, 25 2 are 50, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10. Almost 50% means it is a very good quality of the soil which is rich in organic matter. So that's the same. We can calculate this also. We can take this also. So that is 17 upon 50 into 100. You can calculate this also. Okay. So this is how we can calculate the water holding capacity. Now we will do the pH. Now ये तो बेटा हम लोगों ने कर लिया था, that is how much water is retained. Now we are doing the another same experiment, that is the pH of the soil. तो ये जो हमको water मिला था that is after filtration, means when we add water in this soil then it get filtered, so it is dissolving the whatever minerals are present in this, so then it get filtered. So actually what is the pH of the soil will be the similar pH of the water. जितना pH soil का रहेगा उतना ही water का भी pH आ जाएगा बेटा, क्योंकि water उसमें से dissolve होकर आया. तो हमने ये इसमें watch glass में डाल दिया बेटा. Little amount of water we are putting in the another watch glass, and I am taking the another sample of the water, distilled water. Now I am having the pH paper. I am putting this pH paper in this, and after that I just let it be dry little bit. Give me another watch glass. And now taking the sample B and also let it dry this also, and now taking the distilled water. Now this is the pH chart. अपने पास 7 तक गई. The pH paper shows the different color, and these are the pH indicator. Means if it is 7, it is lightish green in color, then the green color get darker as the pH increases. And beta, you know that less than 7 pH means it is acidic, more than 7 pH it is basic. So now we will follow ki what the type of the soil it is. So just we can see or the match this. So you can see that it is just matching like almost 8 to 9. It is in between the 8 to 9, means it is alkaline soil. Okay. Now here also it is lesser than the 8. Lesser than the 8, or you can say just equivalent to 8. So it is in between the, just here having the 7 pH. Okay. So this is less alkaline, it is more alkaline, and you can see the pH paper. Look, no color change, mean बिल्कुल grey color, green color नहीं आया है. It means इसका pH 7 से below है. That is only of the 5 or 6. It means distilled water does not show this any of the color, क्योंकि कोई color नहीं show कर रहा है. It is neither showing the acidic or not the basic. ये तो इसका किसका color है बेटा? Only of the pH paper. पेपर का कलर है, क्योंकि इसमें कोई भी डिस्टिल्ड वाटर है, नो मिनरल्स आर देयर, नाइदर इट इज एसिडिक नॉर बेसिक, सो वी कैन टेक दिस. So this is by this experiment we can conclude the farmland soil is having more alkaline in nature as comparison to the roadside soil. And by making this observation we can go for the 2 experiment also as well as for 1 experiment. Means if we are performing the 2 experiment, water holding capacity as well as pH, then it act as a major one. And if we are doing either water holding capacity or this one, then it is one minor and this is the another minor experiment. Thank you.